there, this is Kyle with Homeqwik. We are at 3610 West Aire Libre today in Phoenix. It's a 3-bedroom, 2-bath property coming in at just about 1,600 square feet. We've got nice upgrades inside, so let's go ahead and take a look. Well, before we get inside, this is pretty neat. I think you all would enjoy. A nice vine tunnel leading up to the front door. Hard not to like that feeling. Anyway, stepping inside. Got our living area down a couple steps. Makes it feel like a nice open den area. Kitchen off to the left. Granite countertops. Stainless steel appliances. Overlooking what could be a dining room or eating area, whatever you want it to be. Go ahead and take a peek in the backyard while we're here. Nice covered area with some grass beyond that, of course. Got the pool. Could be a great yard for entertaining. Heading back in. First door on the right, that'll be your first guest bedroom. Right next to it is your second. Next door. First bathroom. Finally, the master bedroom. Alrighty, that about wraps it up here at 3610 West Aire Libre. If you want to see this property or any of our others, go ahead and give us a call, 602-792-5012, or visit our website at www.homeqwik.com. Thanks for watching.